Corvette time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1978 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Now this particular car has had a repaint to the pace car style paint job. 350 that's been bored out to a 355 underneath the hood, and that is paired up with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC, power windows. I did have the compressor on the AC kick on and off from the controls on the dash, but I did not have it blowing cold, FYI. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this car, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Our phone number, 507-386-1726, if you would like to get a hold of us via phone. Now, this paint does show its age a little bit, and it's black, so it's not perfect. You can see the kind of spider web up in the nose cone, but it does have a luster to it. You can see the reflection off the wall. When I said this car was repainted, it was originally an anniversary car, FYI, and you'll be able to tell that by the paint code if you check out the data tag on this one. It's in the driver's door jamb, so they have the oyster colored cloth interior, and that looks like it has been redone some too, and we'll get around to that in just a second. Did play around with some of the accessories on the inside of this car too. Wipers worked, power windows work, has a tilt and telescopic column to it that is functioning. Little radio delete plate in there if you noticed it. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Again, you can see where it's been repainted back here, and there are some imperfections. Again, a little bit of spider webbing and some of the plastic or composite pieces on the bumper and the front fascia, if you will. Also little specks kind of in the clear, but again, you can see it does have a shine to it, reflection coming off there. And you can look at the still pictures so you can see all of that. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Let's go ahead and take a look down the driver's side here. Got the little real small, if you can see that, a little small star there, imperfection there. But again, take a look at the black and the reflection coming off it. It's up to the front door. Aluminum wheels with Coupe Cobra radials, as you can also see, and that would be the correct wheel for this car. All right, let's check out this interior cloth vinyl blend. You get an oyster colored interior. Seats have been recovered. A little bit of wear spots in them. All right, let's go ahead and start this up. It appears it has 109,000 on it. Looks like for miles that's turned over. Starts easily. As you can see, tack works. Take a peek at the dash. Dash is not all cracked or sun-baked. Looks like the gauges are functioning with the exception of the clock. And again, I had the compressor kick on and off from the AC control here, but did not have it blowing cold. And I also had the wipers work, FYI. And I tell you what, we'll click on the headlights. So when we get out there to check out the engine bay, we'll see the headlights up. Sometimes those take just a little bit, may not come up at the same time, but it looks like they're both up. Door closes nicely. Good sounding car. A little bit of lobe to it. And again, built to a 355. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. Well, first of all, let's slip around and check out these headlights. So again, those are working. Up and down, and the lights themselves work. Let me pause this a second. Let's pop this hood one.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's a good shot of the engine bay. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC. It does have a new power steering hose on it, FYI. The techs that took a peek at it in the back wanted me to note that there's a caliper that sticks. Some it's going to need some attention. This is a consigned car. Consigner elected to sell it the way it is and have us announce it. Just want to let you know about that. Got a caliper or calipers sticking up front, might pull a little bit. So FYI, going to need a little attention. There you have it, 1978 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. FYI, the T-tops that are out of it are solid. They are not the glass or transparent ones. They're a solid black T-top. You can give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. You can call in or email.